Well, a week has passed since my last video, so let's have a quick look at some of the trades I've made since then.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Right away, we see a pattern that helps us out too often, the double impulse. If you're not familiar with it, please check out this video. So, in short, here we have a first impulse, then comes consolidation, and then another strong impulse downwards. Fibonacci retracement indicates that the 1.6 level is already been reached, meaning that a rebound is to be expected and the market should go up until this level of consolidation. The same is indicated by the weakening candlestick shadow and the indicators on the 1-minute time frame chart. It's been quite a long since we have seen any other patterns that form on the chart itself, so here is the one of them. This one is called a falling wedge. We've already talked about it in many other patterns on this channel before. So the point of this pattern is that the market, having rebounded off the level of support, forms a narrowing zone of correction between the levels of support and resistance. So it tells us that we should expect the market to go down, the pattern being a continuation one. So based on this, we buy a put option that expires in 5 minutes. And here's a very similar situation for you. The only difference is that this time we got a rising wedge instead of falling one. This 10-minute time frame chart sees the market moving inside this zone of correction. If we take a look at our indicators, it becomes clear that the market has been overbought for quite a long time. The green vortex line starts crossing the red one, meaning that this is a good moment to enter the market. So I buy a put option that expires in 10 minutes. So that's pretty much it for today. A quick reminder, all my announcements and the analysis of my trading activity and also my trading signals can be found on my Telegram channel, so consider subscribing. I hope this video was useful for you. See you soon, stay safe and be in touch.